Hello, guys, ladies and gentlemen. Hope you all are doing great this morning, and hope you guys sleep well and go to your different places this morning. I wish you good luck and I wish you happy weekend. I pray God should give us and every one of you what you're looking for the day. Yes, this is your own boy on UK49S prediction. I will be sharing you numbers today on bonuses, just as usual. If today is your first time coming across my video, kindly subscribe, hit the notification bell, share this video, so anytime I upload a video, you'll be the first to know and you will be notified automatically as long as you are on data or Wi-Fi or any other way you use to communicate networkly in your phone. So guys, let's go to business as usual. Dropping my bonuses and 4 single numbers. That is what I tried. I decided to do this time around. Yeah, because I think a shorter the number, more opportunities. Yeah. So, and you know what we're playing, guys. This is 50-50. You don't expect me to be a god that when I drop a number, it's much. You will take it like it must come. That number must play. You see, I'm like you as well, that try to, generate numbers and try to see if it plays or not. Yeah, no one knows it all, my brothers. No one knows it all. So, let's get to business. Bonus, as usual. Bonus, as usual. Yeah. Then this is single. As well, let's put S there. SL. Single. Okay. Our bonus for today is gonna be family of 7. Alright? That's our bonus for today. It's gonna be family of 7. So that is how I brought my bonus, and it has been helping me. You guys the ones who are following my channel, definitely you must have seen that my bonus comes the way I'm following it. Yeah. So that is how I play my bonus. So guys, the good thing in life is that don't doubt whatever people give to you, because numbers is numbers. Yeah, these things, they come. These things, they come. So never you doubt your numbers, brothers. Ladies and gentlemen, never you doubt your numbers, because most people regret it by doubting numbers. You see, so now let's make up my singles. My single will start from 4, 7, 11. One more is just what I can put there. Hold on. let's say, okay, 39. I'm saying 36 to repeat, but I don't know. I'm not going to put 36 because I just want 4 numbers. But I see 36 to repeat. But I think for me, this is okay for me. So if this bonus come, just run 1, 2, 3, 4 with each numbers you see here. Guys, 1 rand. When you play 1 rand, let me I use player bet, ne? Because their money is more better than Hollywood money, Betway, or Superbet or any other platform. I use player bet because their money is bigger. So if you play 1 rand with 1 number and bonus, it gives you 355 rand. But other betting platform is not up to that amount. I think it's about 300 rand or something. You understand? So guys, good luck, and please subscribe to my channel, share this video to help others who need of help. You never know, you might be the lucky person. Like I said, I always play my numbers. I always play 1 number with bonus. I always play 2 numbers with bonus, and I play with that bonus. Even you see these bonuses I put here, I play them also with two numbers, just ordinary numbers. I don't, after I play them with all the numbers I want to play with bonus, play them with bonus, I also use them and play them singles. Like yesterday lunchtime. Yeah. Yesterday lunchtime, after I played bonus, single bonuses, I play 1 number with bonus, I won. I use the same bonus, I use it to play two numbers. I won two numbers. I won a single bonus. I won 1 number with bonus. I won 2 numbers and bonus as well. And how much did I play? I wasn't having money yesterday. I used 1 rand to play 2 number with bonus. It gave me, I used player. Player is paying 3,700. I won 3,700, 2 number and bonus. I won with 1 rand. I'm telling you. Then I played the bonus because player bets, when you use 5 rand to play bonus, it give you 230. Then when you use 10 rand, it give you 220, it give you 440. I use about, because I play each, it's 5 bonus, ne? So that each bonus, I put 20 rand there to play that bonus. So that bonus was giving me 880 rand. For that 20 rand, I used to play that single bonus. You see, give me 800, and so that is what I'm saying. So those two numbers I played, I use those two numbers I use 5 rand to play them in player bets. It gives me about 5 rand was paying 300. Yeah, 300. I think 300, 350 as well. You see, so guys, that's it. I wish you good luck for today and have a successful weekend. Love you all. See you on Teatime.